Hello, let's get started with Google Forms. From Google Drive, select New, More, and Google Forms. A new tab will open in the Chrome browser, and it's best to give the form a name right off. There's a few form settings at the top that you might want to pay attention to. Requiring the district login, usually you want to keep that on and checked. Automatically collect the district username. This allows you to see which students respond and what their responses are. Progress bar is the progress bar, allowing only one response per student. This does require the login, so that also has to be checked. You might want to use this if you only want students responding one time. You'll have to sort through the results later on to see if students did submit two or more answers. Shuffling question order is also a good idea if you have students working at workstations that are near each other. So you have your title here and a form description. We'll just type in something real quick. And now you have your first question. Question title is where you would type in your question, the help text or any clues you'd like to give, and your question type. You see you have a text. This is just a few lines, a couple lines. Paragraph text, students have unlimited or fairly unlimited amount of typing space. Multiple choice, checkbox, choose from a list, etc. Some advanced options, you can shuffle your option order. So you just shuffle your options if they're multiple choice, and require a question. So let's go ahead and get started with our first question. I have a couple prepared already. Here we go. We have a word problem. Paste that question in. And here's a little trick. If you're pasting like I am from another document, you do not have to write all of your A through D or however many options you have. You can actually just paste it in and Google Forms puts them all in order. Pretty intuitive there. It's pretty nice. If you want to add another option, just go ahead and type in here to continue adding questions, or click the X to delete one of your options. This question is done. Let's add one more question that requires an image or a graphic. So I'm going to go over here to my layout and select an image that I already have saved on my computer. So I'm going to use the upload option, choose an image to upload. I'm going to use my desktop and select the image I need. And you can give it a title. So we'll say use the table below to answer question 2. You can center the table, right justify, left, however you feel fit. And let's add in our question now. And there you go. So now let's get this Google form out to our students. Your confirmation page, you can put a custom message here if you choose to. You can publish and show the link to form results. You don't need to do that. Go ahead and select send form. And from here you have a few options. You can type in your students' names. So I have my tech teachers that could get the form this way. Or I can paste this link right into my Google Classroom. I can even shorten the URL and then copy and paste this link into my Google Classroom. Either way will be perfectly fine getting this form out to your students. Again, sending the form via Gmail with a message from you or pasting the link into a classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate quickly how to paste this into my classroom. So I've already copied the form URL. I'll go over here to my classroom tab. Let's just make a quick announcement. Oops. I'm going to paste our link in the link option. And we'll post this right out to your class. Make sure you click add to get that link embedded and post it onto your Google Classroom wall. And there you have it, today's announcement. Google Forms, all right, and it basically shows you the form right here for the students to click and access the Google form. There you go. That's it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Lots of options though with Google Forms. We'll get into some of those in a few minutes in another video. Thanks for watching.